Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Option Trader Today. So today we have seen that the Bank Nifty has opened a gap down. Okay, and I have already told you that there is high probability if it comes gap down probability that it will try to fill a gap, and we can see that it has tried to fill this gap, but it was not happening before because we have seen that from 2 weeks around the market was very volatile and it was not giving that direction which we wanted. But today we can see after giving this gap down, a green candle has formed, and from there it has filled the gap up. From there it made a profit. Being this gap, there is a high probability that it can bounce back. So what people started booking the profit from here, and from that point it came down again to that level. Okay, but what I have already suggested in my last video, that the trend will be upside, and you have seen that this trend is upside. That means this will be our stop loss, and that it has stayed at this level. Okay, and now we can see that this Bank Nifty is moving in a particular range. So what we can see, if it opens above 32,900, then we can see that it can be in, there can be a probability that it can touch a level of 33,000, which is a big resistance. Okay, and there is a high probability that it can be in this particular level, or if it opens below 32,700, then there is high chances that it can touch a level of 32,600, and if it crosses this level, then we can see that the strong support is coming at around 32,500, because we can see that it is already tested once, and there is high probability that if it touches this level, then it can, because it is already tested twice, then there is high probability if it touches that level, it can go down again. Okay, so this is what we can see here. Okay, if it opens above this, then we can see that it can touch a level of 33,000, which is a strong resistance. Okay, if it opens near this level around 32,009, above that, if it opens below 32,700, then we can expect that it can, with a strong support at 32,600, if it crosses below this level, then we'll be looking for a target 32,500. Let's see where the market opens, then we'll decide. If Nifty has also shown a same pattern, we have seen that there's a big gap up, and after green candle we have seen that it tried to fill this gap, but we have seen that there is still a gap is remaining. So what we can expect tomorrow, if opens above 14,800 and crosses a level of 14,900, then there is a probability it can touch a level of 15,000 also, around 14,950. Okay, or if it opens below 14,800, okay, there is a high probability it can touch a level of 14,800. If it crosses downside, then we can expect that it can touch a level 14,750 also, and if it crosses this level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 14,000, around 14,650, or can go below that level. So what we can expect tomorrow, that tomorrow is a weekly expiry, so there is chances that the market will be very high. So this is our strong resistance at this level, which is around 15,000, and our strong support will be at around 14,750, and then 14,750, and from there we can see that a level of 14,675. if it opens in this area, then there is a probability with a strong support. If it crosses this level, then we will be on the buying side, or if it opens below this level 14,700, then we'll be on the with a strong support at around 14,650. If it goes below that level, then we'll be on the selling side. Okay, so let's wait where the market opens, and then we'll decide where we'll take our move. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.